In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your YouTube recommendations by clearing and pausing your watch and search history. If your homepage feels stale or filled with videos you're no longer interested in, this quick reset will help YouTube learn what you actually want to see. We'll clear your watch and search history, optionally pause future tracking, and then refresh your feed so it can start recommending content based on your latest activity. First, open YouTube and go to your data in YouTube. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select your data in YouTube. This page gathers your activity controls in one place, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus. It's the easiest way to manage what YouTube uses to shape your recommendations. Now, let's clear your watch history. Scroll to the section labeled YouTube Watch History and click Manage History. On that page, click Delete, then choose All Time. This wipes the record of videos you've watched from YouTube's recommendation system, giving you a clean slate. Keep in mind, this affects recommendations tied to your account across devices where you're signed in. If you're worried about losing useful suggestions, you can always rebuild them with your new viewing habits. Next, clear your search history. Back on the Your Data in YouTube page, scroll to YouTube Search History and click Manage History. Again, click Delete and select All Time. Clearing searches prevents old queries from nudging recommendations in the wrong direction. This step is especially helpful if your past searches were for one-off topics that you don't want influencing your feed anymore. If you want to slow down how quickly your history builds back up, you can pause it. Still on the Your Data in YouTube page, toggle Pause Watch History and Pause Search History. This is optional, but it's great if you prefer to explore without every click shaping future recommendations. You can turn these back on at any time when you're ready for YouTube to start learning from your activity again. Finally, return to your YouTube homepage to refresh your feed. You'll start seeing fresher recommendations that adapt as you watch, search, and engage going forward. To speed this up, like or dislike videos that reflect your interests, and consider subscribing to channels you genuinely enjoy. These signals help YouTube understand your preferences faster, so your recommendations become relevant more quickly. That's it. A simple reset for a smarter, cleaner YouTube experience.